Hey guys, I'm with Twilight the Ninja. So you can see she edited her character. Say hi.
Hey!
They can hear you. Don't worry, you don't have to type.
I
Okay, so we have this bow. I don't know if it's gonna work, so I'm sorry if it doesn't. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I mean, if it doesn't, I'm sorry. Okay, get in.
I'm trying, my goodness.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add some blocks.
Mm-hmm.
They aren't the protective blocks, but I mean, hey, we got some protective blocks, so I mean, these are protective blocks too, so just not as protective as the other ones that I'm gonna add shortly. Was still there. I'm sorry, I'm just like.
Oh, Lauren, white team left, by the way.
Which one?
The whole one. White team left.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Hey, I can move my screen around with my mouth. I did not know this. If I hold on this thing, I can do it again. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then we have 3 of these, so. And then right there. Okay, so now I'm going to launch my boat soon. Just first I'm going to add some 4 boosters.
Oh God, Lauren, remember the last time I hit?
That was funny. But you know
we
what?
literally have flew into the other person's thing.
Yeah, the green team.
Yeah, the green team. It's like, oh.
Don't ask why it's that way. I'm trying something. Whoa! This is actually cool. Whoa, that was cool.
I can't open it.
Whoa. Okay, that was fun.
I can't open it. It's really sad.
Okay, now that was fun. Now, as we're doing this, I'm just going to buy 1 common chest. You know, it's going to give me, one of those things. Okay, that's actually a good thing that you can actually get from a common chest. So, I mean, yeah. Yeah, let's see how far we can go. I still haven't eaten, and it's 1:37.
Oh my God, Lauren. Abby can eat.
Bella's being weird as we're doing this.
Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go on Instagram.
Oh wow. I've been looking on Instagram as I've been playing this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's a good day?
I always like to look at the new feed. You were the one I was meant to find. What?
Did I have join?
Who? Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
We're accepting everybody.
Okay. Even those people?
Except for the green team. The green team's been very, rude, so they don't deserve. Yeah, the green team's been really rude, so. And I'm not letting him, change my box. Cause I mean, why? Why?
It's the same person. So, before it even opens.
Wondering, I'm looking at Musically. You can't hear, but they can.
She's a really pedophile. She's like
my god, this one. Brush, you are now my big fat crush. I'm as single as I can be. You're single, perfect for me. I'ma give you a hunch of reasons why you should date me. Reason number 1, I'm super hot. Reason number 2, she's super now.
Don't follow us down that right now. I don't know who they are.
We might die, sorry if we do, people, but I mean, that's just life. People die. Ready? This is the real one. You're single, perfect for me. I'ma give you a bunch of reasons why you should date me. Reason number 1, I'm super hot. Reason number 2, she's super now. Reason number 3, I'm all you got, and all you got is me. Oh, we died. I died.
Oh, we did? Oh, well.
I want to see how good he is. Okay, he's not really good. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so as you can tell, he actually left a white team, sadly, but I mean, it's his choice. I mean, okay, ready? Are you ready, Bella? No! No, did it die? I think her phone died. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about it, but yeah. Me and Bella are trying something. What is it? What? I can't even build.
Yeah? Well, quit your stupid hosing.
I'm resetting. I'm single as I can be. You're single, perfect. Okay, now I can build. I'm gonna see if we can live with this. I'm gonna see if we can live. Are you ready?
Okay, build. I'm gonna watch from far away. Oh my goodness. I move so slow. But, like, I can see the other team. Hey, oh my god, that's really bad. That thing's really bad. Oh god. That's real bad.
Do you see what I'm building now?
That's the thing like.
I'm single as I can be. You're single, perfect for me. Sorry, there's musically I was watching this one.
Yeah, my guys.
Just wait, you need to move. Bella, what are you doing? I'm building one for you too.
I know it's sitting on top of the waiting.
Don't ask why there's like a wall, whatever thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save this boat.
Yeah.
It may not work, but I mean...
Why are you making a wall between us?
Don't worry, there's a reason. Don't you see the door though?
Yeah, I see the door. You're making a wall between us.
Oh no, Bella, what have I done?
Are you gonna make my side or what?
Oh, I am, don't worry. You just need to move so I can finish this. Get off the top, please.
Why? Why?
Because I'm building like right there. Thank you.
Oh, just kidding. I'm opening the door.
No, close it.
No, I opened it. Too bad. Time to close it. You're right to the bar, please. It's so late.
You'll live, Bella.
What?
Bella Jean Griffin.
What? What if I
Yummy.
press the booster?
No, don't.
Would you be mad at me?
Yeah,
Well, you kind of killed me with a booster one time, so...
that is kind of true, but just don't right now, please.
Okay, fine. Well,
Thank you.
I found a weird pipey thingy magical. What is this? I don't know, but I mean, ish. Oh wow, it's really fuzzy. I can't break it. Oh, what's that? Like a wire. Can I find wiring? I don't know what it is. Something I do. I don't think there's wiring, but you never know. Get in there. Careful, let's take this into. Stick it in this hole.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Yeah. Yay! Okay, now go on my side.
I am.
On my side, wait. No, you're not.
I'm getting ready to.
I opened the door.
I need to find my blocks, though.
Oh my god. You're taking forever.
No, I'm not. I'm taking my time.
Yeah, that's taking forever.
Well, girl, I'm starting right now.
Yeah, I can see that. As I spin. And as I zoom out. Zoom out. Wait, I just noticed something. Black and green team are like right next to each other, but I cannot find any other team.
I'll be back when I finish this. Hey guys, I'm back. This is all about. I totally did not do this on purpose, but yeah. Okay, so let's go. Yay. Oh my god, why did I.
Like, we're super gonna die.
Yay.
Well, let's see who survives longer. Oh my god, that's a very good idea.
My god. Yay.
Oh god. If you fall out first, it's not my fault. I'm just like, you know. Okay, well, I see us. We're just, you know, moving along. Like crazy people. Oh my god, I think we already lost blocks.
No, we didn't. Those blocks are there.
Well,
This
well, not this. It looks so cool under here.
is.
Whoa, this is cool.
Yeah. I mean, goodness.
Yes, okay. So we got a long while to go before we can make it out to the end.
Yeah.
Okay, hon? Okay.
If we die, it's fine. I was using this as a tester.
Wait, did you die?
No, I said if we die.
Oh, okay.
It's fine because we use this as a tester.
If we live from this, I will be so surprised.
Same.
I'll be like, why am I alive anymore?
I'd be like, how? How in life did we survive this?